So guys, welcome back. I made a video earlier showing us how to resolve this particular issue that you can see on my screen right now. This is an issue you encounter if you try to log into your WordPress dashboard backend office, and whenever you try logging in and you get this kind of message telling you there has been a critical error on this website, please check your site admin email inbox for instruction. It is probably caused by one of your plugins. Probably one of the plugins you installed on your WordPress has crashed. So there's no way for you to be able to even log into the WordPress backend office to even remove the plugin. So you just be locked out. There's no way for you to do anything. So I previously dropped a video walking us through how to resolve such a problem, but right now guys, I'll be showing you a less easier video that would walk you through how to solve this particular problem should you be going through this kind of problem now. So initially guys, I showed you guys that you go in through your WordPress, through your Namecheap rather, then you have to you'll be able to disable these plugins using your phpMyAdmin software. But right now phpMyAdmin is a bit how do I put it, is a bit complicated and dangerous for those that might not be able to handle database, because if you mistakenly remove something that is not meant for you to delete, it crashes your website, crashes your database, crashes everything. So I found a more easier way of removing your plugins or disabling your plugins in order for you to be able to gain access into your WordPress backend office. So guys, just go with me as I do this. So the very first thing you want to do now is sign into your Namecheap account. Then from your Namecheap account or whichever hosting company you are using, just make sure you are able to access your cPanel. That's the very first thing we have to do now. So once you are able to gain access into your cPanel, then we are making use of the Softaculous app installer. It's a very straightforward step. It's a no misstep. I think I'm having a serious network issue here. Okay, I'll have to sign in again very quickly. Let me do that. No, shouldn't be admin. So guys, we're signed in to our cPanel dashboard now. The next thing we want to do now is click on the Softaculous apps installer, because that is where we are going to be solving this problem very quickly. So now click on this Softaculous app installer. So guys, it brings us right here like a page that looks as if we are trying to install WordPress freshly on our what's it called, hosting space. But right now we are not installing WordPress. What we have to do now is you come to this what's it called, installations. Click on installations this way, then you click on your, just right in front of your domain name or website address, just click on this WordPress icon this way. It takes you to WordPress manager. So from within this environment you should be able to disable some plugins. You might not be able to identify which plugin particularly is disturbing you from logging in, or which plugin particularly is making you get that kind of message, that fatal error message. But what you have to do first is disable all plugins so that you can be able to gain access into your WordPress backend office. So what you do here now guys is click on this manage plugins this way, then you should be able to see all your installed plugins. So you can either, you have two options here, you can either delete all plugins or you disable them. You understand? You can disable by toggling on this button. Just toggle on it, click on it, you understand, or you delete the plugins, but I would advise you disable them first, then you try logging into your WordPress backend office, and if you are able to gain access, then you can re-enable these plugins one after the other in order for you to identify which particular plugin is giving you that problem. The other video I made was you have to go through a more um let me say hard way, because you have to go through your database, and if you mistakenly delete anything from a database, from that's my SQL database, it will crash your website and it's going to give you a lot of problem. You'd lose a lot, even more than plugins, you lose a lot of things. So this process is a bit and a much more easier process for you to be able to disable the plugins and be able to gain access into your WordPress backend office. So that will be all, guys. You can just try it out. I know it's going to work. I've tried it, I've tested it, and it's trusted. So that will be all, guys.